Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the template and how to edit the template on your Google Sheets mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the template and how to edit the Google Sheet on your mobile. So clicking on this plus symbol, you will see choose template. Just click this. So here there will be a lot of template they have been given for your creativity. You can use any one of the template here. So for an example, here I just going to click about a great book. Just click this. So after clicking it, you just want to first of all you just want to log in into your account. So here you can see the sheet has been here. So to modify it, just double tap on the cell. Just you can just double tap here and you can just modify. So here just going to change the value here. So this value can be, you can see the formula bar is on the down. So I just going to change it to only 10. So it's denoting about the student and also the mark. You can see the changes has been automatically updated. So you can use any template here and just it will also apply on the graph. And after using this template, you can zoom it out by pinching on the screen like this and click on this three dot option and click on the share and export. Just save on your mobile and you can just use it. This is how you just use the templates on your Google Sheets on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.